Hey, welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to replace the Earpads on the Jabra Evolve2 65 headset. Now, if you want to see the written version of how to get this done, you can find a link to my website in the video description. So I've been using these for about 3.5 years. In fact, I reviewed this headset about 3.5 years ago, gave it a super high rating. You can find a link to the review in the video description, and it'll pop up somewhere here anyway. So these headsets are still being sold here in Canada for about, looks like $300 before tax. But because the battery and the audio quality on the microphone and ears speakers are still phenomenal, I don't want to get rid of them. I just want to replace the earpads. So I've got a solution on Amazon for $20. Now, before we actually dive into replacing them, before anything else, it's important that the replacement units you get, you do a little bit of research on them. So on Amazon, make sure it has a high rating. See what other customers are saying, perhaps. If not, maybe can you return it easily? So if you find a pair, can you return it easily if there's no reviews, right? Because you're taking a chance. If you're looking to shop on eBay, which is pretty good sometimes, again, just look at the raters selling percentage. Do they have a high, like 95% or above seller rating? And do they have a guaranteed return policy, which most sellers do?
Okay, so before anything else, I just want to show how bad the earpads have gotten. I wasn't exaggerating by any means. They've gotten really poor. The other thing I want to demonstrate here quickly is a lot of people don't realize this, but on the units that come with the headset, it's very faint and it's really bad to see because mine are damaged. But the earpads actually have a left and right symbol. They're very subtle. So here's the L and here's the R. They're imprinted in here. So if you get a unit that has the same type of thing, make sure you put it on the correct corresponding earpad. You don't want to put the L and the R on the reverse side. That's kind of silly. So what I'm going to do is just demonstrate one side only because the steps will be the exact same thing for the other opposite side. I don't want to make this video too long. So once you do it for one earpad, you can do the other one on your own. So the simple thing here is you want to gently pull off the earpad itself. Like for me, it came off just a little bit of a snug tug. Snug tug. That rhymes. Anyway, and that's off now, okay? So in here, I also have the plastic padding. It's like a hard plastic, which is good. Not just the soft fabric. So that's taken off. One thing I'm trying to demonstrate here that I didn't account for, but we should do is, I'm not sure if the lighting is working here, is it's quite dirty in there, right? Some tough to reach spots. So I think this is actually the perfect opportunity to clean it out. What I typically use for any type of electronic is just a microfiber cloth. It doesn't cause any damage to sensitive parts of electronics, like a computer monitor, for example. Especially for older monitors, I don't really care about too much, but you still want to be gentle with them. Microfiber cloth does a great job. In addition to that, microfiber cloth I also find are great at attracting dust and kind of taking it away with it. So we want to make this look as new as possible. And so now I'm going to take my right one, because it's on the right earpad, and just kind of push it on. Okay? And what I do notice, I mean, look, I spent $20. This is bigger than the original. Like, you can kind of tell. Like, I had the suspicion when you kind of put them side by side, but now that they're on, I have the left and right to compare. It's a little bit different, so just keep that in mind. I suggest you test the quality right away. If you're not happy with it, then might want to return it, exchange it, or something like that. But that's pretty much it. I'm going to continue on as I ramble on. But that's the end of the video. We're doing the exact same process for the next ear cup. This one's the right side, sorry, the left side. So even if you're not tech savvy, just see how easy it is. Nothing to be intimidated by. It's super easy and you refresh to your headset, which is a fantastic unit. So not only did you save a bunch of money, but you've also prevented e-waste by not tossing out your headset. So thank you for that, because e-waste is horrible on the environment and we take it for granted. And that's pretty much it. So if you like this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe. It literally helps my channel grow. And because I have to make these videos after hours when I'm not working, be sure to maybe consider hitting the super thanks button, which is a little heart icon at the bottom of this video. You're not obligated to. And that's pretty much a wrap.